Today we're going to do a deep breath that is called Ujjayi breath, sometimes referred to as Darth Vader breath because of the way that it sounds and the way you feel doing it. So let's try that. There's two parts to it. The first part, we're just going to inhale nice and deeply through our nose and exhale with a really slow, thick. So let's do that 3 times. So we'll go. Feel the warmth in your mouth of that breath. Good. And remembering that when we inhale, the belly comes out. When we exhale, the belly just naturally goes in. So let's do our third one. Good. And then relax for a moment. And then the next thing we're going to do is have our mouth closed during that same process. So it'll sound like this. Hence the Darth Vader. And one of my students says it sounds like you're snoring while you're awake. And another of my students says it sounds like her dog snoring. So this is Ujjayi breath, or like an ocean breath. And what I want you to focus on here is you can feel the cool air come in through your nose, and then your body heats it up. So as it comes out it is coming out your nose, but you're going to feel like all this warmth in this area. You'll feel it in your throat, in your mouth. And so if you can picture or think of a visual of your throat, your vocal cords, all that stuff in there is getting warmed up and nice and juicy and soft and hydrated. So let's go for 3. So inhale. And last one. Good job.